Hello, my name is Stephen Biber, and this is my project on lean manufacturing for Guzman's Period 2 Project Lead the Way Computer Integrated Manufacturing class. Now you might be asking yourself, what is lean manufacturing? Glad you asked. Lean manufacturing is a production philosophy centered around maximizing productivity and eliminating waste. Now, what's waste? Well, waste is anything that doesn't contribute to customer purchase value. So if you're buying a car and making the car happens to produce 3 gallons of undeterminate miscellaneous oil, the customer will not pay for 3 gallons of miscellaneous indeterminate oil. Some of the benefits of lean manufacturing are that they reduce lead times and increase product quality. Now, how has lean manufacturing changed throughout history? Well, Eli Whitney was the first person to input on lean manufacturing. Back then, it wasn't called lean manufacturing. It was called being smart. Now, Eli Whitney invented interchangeable parts, which meant that for every gun that they made, each part could be exchanged for the same gun of the same type. Different gun of the same type, however. And you have many guns that can all exchange the same parts. This makes things much easier. Frederick Taylor, standardized work, time study and work standards. Frank Gilbreth, process charts and motion study. Yes. Henry Ford, he invented the assembly line. The assembly line, many people doing light work make big work go faster. William Deming Joseph Juan. Eiji Toyota Taiichi Ono. He created the Toyota production system. Yes, that is important. Now, who created lean manufacturing? Well, yes, it did have a history, but it only started being lean manufacturing with Toyota, the great car company. This began when Kiichiro Toyota created the Kaizen teams to solve a casting issue with their engine blocks at the Toyota factory. Now, this became a bit of an issue. There were issues for Toyota and many Japanese countries after World War II. This reduced demand for trucks sold by Toyota. So, after this, they need to reduce overproduction. Now, you may realize that is waste. Overproduction is waste. They are reducing waste and increasing productivity. What's that called? I'll let you think about it. Now, the term lean manufacturing was only introduced in the 80s. You may recall, it was not a term that was used by Eli Whitney or Henry Ford. But it was used by John Krafcik in 1988 in his article about the Toyota Production Company, Toyota Production Systems. It was known as just-in-time production manufacturing before this, but lean manufacturing makes so much more sense. Now, you might find yourself asking, who cares? I was, but lean manufacturing is a big deal, okay? Lean manufacturing provides careers. In this ever-changing world where robots are replacing jobs, no robot can replace the human mind. Now, some of the jobs that you could get specializing in lean manufacturing are a continuous improvement consultant, a consultant who helps with continuous improvement, like in lean manufacturing. A lean manufacturing specialist, a specialist in lean manufacturing. Quality engineering. What other than lean manufacturing do you associate with quality? Production training. Training for higher production. How do you get higher production? lean manufacturing. On top of that, lean manufacturing leads to a higher quality product. Some companies you may be thinking of that use lean manufacturing today are John Deere, the great company that makes tractors. Right, John Deere, yes! Nike, shoes, clothes. Everyone loves Nike. Not to mention Toyota. I drive a Toyota. You should too. My odometer reads 400,000 miles, and it works like it's new. Now, that's my presentation on lean manufacturing. I hope you enjoyed, and please give me an A